Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use Tradify, job management software. Tradify tutorial. 1. Getting started with Tradify. Sign up for Tradify. Go to the Tradify website, www.tradifyhq.com. Click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and select your business type. You can also download the Tradify mobile app if you prefer managing jobs on the go. Tradify is available for both Android and iOS. Once you have registered, you will have access to a 14-day free trial, during which you can explore all features. After the trial period, you will need to choose a subscription plan. After signing out, set up your business details. This includes business name, the name of your business that will appear on invoices, codes, and other documents. Logo, upload your business logo for branding purposes. Business address. Ensure your address is correct for invoicing and customer information. VAT or tax settings. Set up tax rates according to your location or business requirements. Tradify will guide you through each of these steps, ensuring everything is accurate so you can generate professional documents like invoices and codes easily. Number 2. Managing jobs in Tradify. The core function of Tradify is job management. The software allows you to create, track, and manage jobs from start to finish. Here's how to use it effectively. Go to the dashboard and click on Create Job. Enter the job details such as job title, the name or reference number for the job, customer details, add or select a customer from your existing database. If the customer is new, you can quickly add their details. Job description. Write a brief description of the job. Example, install new water heater or electrical wiring in the new office space. Job location. You can either enter the job address manually or use your customer's address. Set the start date and job priority. This ensures the job is scheduled accordingly, especially when you are handling multiple projects. Once the job is created, you can add relevant tasks, assign team members, and set reminders for deadlines. Assigning tasks and team members. In Tradify, you can break down jobs into tasks. This is particularly helpful if the project has multiple stages or involves several team members. Open the job you created and click on Add Task. Enter the task description. Example, install pipes or complete wiring. Assign the task to a team member, if applicable. Set a deadline and add any notes or instructions for the task. This feature makes it easier to track progress and ensure that each team member knows their responsibilities. Adding notes, photos, and files. Tradify allows you to add notes, photos, and documents directly to each job. This is useful for tracking any changes, taking pictures of the worksite, or attaching invoices and contracts. To add this, go to the job page. Use the Add Notes section to type any relevant information about the job. Click Add Photos to upload images from the job site. Attach files such as codes, contracts, or plans via the Add Files option. These features ensures that all important information related to a job is stored in one place, reducing the risk of lost documents or miscommunications. 3. Creating codes and invoices. One of the most important aspects of Tradify is its ability to generate codes and invoices directly from job information. This eliminates the need for separate software or spreadsheets. Creating a code. Tradify makes it easy to create professional-looking codes for your customers. Open the job where you want to generate the code. Click Create Code. Tradify will automatically pull in relevant job details such as customer information and job description. You can add or remove items from the code, set pricing, and include materials and labor costs. If necessary, customize the code by adding line items, discounts, or terms and conditions. Once the code is ready, click Send to Customer. You can email the code directly from Tradify or export it as a PDF. Creating an invoice. Go to the job you wish to invoice. Click Create Invoice. Tradify will automatically populate the invoice with details from the job, such as the customer's name, job description, and any previous codes. You can add additional charges such as materials, labor, and travel fees. If needed, adjust payment terms, add taxes, or apply any discounts. Once your invoice is ready, click Send to Customer. You can send invoices via email or export them as a PDF to print and send manually. Tradify also allows you to track the status of invoices to see whether they have been paid or are still outstanding. Number 4. Scheduling jobs and tracking time. Tradify includes powerful scheduling tools to ensure you never miss a deadline and can allocate the right resources to each job. Scheduling jobs. On the dashboard, click on Schedule to see your calendar. You can create new events by dragging and dropping jobs onto specific dates. For ongoing jobs, you can schedule recurring tasks, ensuring that your team knows when and where to be. Time tracking. To track how long your team spends on each job, open the job page and click on Start Timer when work begins. The timer will track time automatically so you don't have to worry about manually logging hours. If necessary, stop or pause the timer. Add the time spent on the job will be recorded. Tradify can generate detailed reports based on time logs, allowing you to assess how long certain jobs or tasks took. Number 5. Managing your customer database. Tradify also helps you manage customer relationships by storing all your client details in one place. Adding new customers. On the Customers tab, click Add Customer. Enter customer details like name, address, phone number, email, and other relevant info. You can even link multiple contacts to a single customer account if necessary. Tracking customer interactions. Each customer's page allows you to view history jobs, quotes, invoices, and communications. This feature keeps track of all your interactions with each client and ensures you never miss an important detail. Number 6. Mobile app features. Tradify's mobile app is designed to help you manage jobs on the go, whether you are on-site or away from the office. The app gives you the flexibility to view job details and schedules, create and send codes and invoices, track time and log job progress, communicate with your team, upload photos and documents directly from your phone or tablet. The app works seamlessly with the web platform, ensuring all your data is synchronized. Number 7. Reporting and Analytics. Tradify provides detailed reporting features to give you insight into your business performance. You can view reports on revenue, track income from jobs, quotes, and invoices, time logs, analyze how much time your team spends on each job, job status, see which jobs are pending, completed, or invoiced. These reports help you make informed decisions about pricing, resource allocation, and business strategy. In conclusion, Tradify is an all-in-one job management software that simplifies many aspects of managing a trade business. From creating and managing jobs to generating codes and invoices, scheduling tasks, and tracking customer interactions, Tradify offers a powerful suite of tools for businesses of all sizes. The platform is user-friendly, mobile-responsive, and designed to help tradespeople streamline operations, improve efficiency, and save time. And that is all there is on how to use Tradify job management software. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video.